You work hard, get that paycheck deposited, then blink, and suddenly it's gone. You might know you spend on things like groceries and rent, but that latte habit or that random online purchase can really add up without you realizing it. If you're looking to take control of your finances and finally understand where your money goes, then a budgeting app might be the answer you've been searching for. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Well, today we're diving deep into PocketGuard, a popular budgeting app designed to simplify your financial life. We'll explore how it works, what features it offers, and whether it might be the perfect fit to help you reach your financial goals. So, how exactly does PocketGuard work its magic? It all starts with getting a clear picture of your financial situation. Step 1. Connecting the dots. PocketGuard connects securely to your bank accounts. Don't worry, they use the same level of encryption as major banks. This allows the app to automatically import your transactions, saving you the hassle of manually entering everything. Step 2. Smart categorization. Once your transactions are in, PocketGuard uses its clever algorithms to categorize them. No more puzzling over whether that mysterious charge was for groceries or clothes. This helps you see exactly where your money is flowing. Step 3. In My Pocket, your financial lifeline. Here's where PocketGuard gets really interesting. Based on your income, bills, and spending habits, the app calculates how much spendable cash you have left. They call it In My Pocket. This number is constantly updated, giving you a real-time picture of your financial breathing room. Step 4. Bill busting and future planning. PocketGuard doesn't just track your spending, it helps you stay ahead of the curve. The app identifies your recurring bills and lets you know when they're due. No more scrambling to find that late payment fee. Plus, PocketGuard can even help you find ways to save money on those bills by suggesting negotiation strategies. Talk about a win-win. Step 5. Goal setting with a boost. Do you dream of a tropical vacation or a shiny new gadget? PocketGuard can help you make those dreams a reality. The app uses a SMART goal framework to guide you in setting realistic and achievable savings targets. It then factors those goals into your In My Pocket calculation, so you can see exactly how much you need to set aside each month to reach your financial aspirations. Beyond the basics, PocketGuard's extra perks. While the core features are impressive, PocketGuard offers a few additional tools to supercharge your financial journey. Fraud detection. Keep an eye out for suspicious activity with PocketGuard's fraud detection alerts. Insights and tips. Get personalized insights into your spending habits and discover areas where you can potentially cut back. Customizable budget categories. Don't like the default categories? No problem. PocketGuard allows you to personalize them to fit your specific needs. Is PocketGuard right for you? PocketGuard is a user-friendly budgeting app that caters to a wide range of financial goals. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a seasoned saver looking for extra tools, PocketGuard offers a valuable set of features to help you take control of your money. The takeaway: PocketGuard can be a powerful tool to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. By giving you a clear picture of your finances, helping you stay on top of bills, and guiding you towards your financial goals, PocketGuard can empower you to make smarter financial decisions and build a brighter financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Download PocketGuard today and take charge of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.